Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to use the Babymoov Kozii bottle warmer. I absolutely love this device. I've had it over a year and I'm definitely going to use it for my second baby as well. The main reason I bought it originally is because it's used for glass bottles as well as obviously metal and plastic as well. So that's the reason I bought it, but there's lots of many uses. If you look below in the description, I've written them all down. But mainly that it thaws out bottles for warm milk, formula, breast milk and whole milk, as well as baby pouches. So I can't wait to show you guys how to use it. See, it's a really simple device. It's got a plug and I can't wait to show you guys how to use it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So what you need to do first is fill it up with water. So you just use the tap, fill it all the way to probably halfway between the base of this to the top of it, but you'll see the water sink when you do it, and you should see the word full is really faded here, but you just fill it just above that little hole, which I'll show you now. So I just moved it into the tap, just turning the tap on. Obviously it doesn't matter if the water goes in the holes anywhere, it's obviously waterproof. Just fill it up till can you see halfway, let the water sink down, and then you want it to go, like I said, just above the hole, so where it raises a bit, that plastic just a bit there. So I just need to tip a bit out as it's now stopped sinking, and you can see there's a bit too much water. It's not the end of the world because it will just fill to the back hole there, but I'm gonna just take some out now anyway, so I'll show you do it. Doesn't matter if it goes a bit everywhere because it is waterproof. Just keep doing that until it hits the line. Keep going, a little bit more, and then that should be fine, just like that. And you see, so you can just see just slightly going over the hole, just underneath the little notch there, and that should be perfect. So now that can be done, we can now go back and plug it in. So now we can plug it in, the water's inside, turn it on and just double check the water's there. Yeah, perfect. And now we need to get the bottle ready, depending how you want to do it, or frozen, and put it in like I'll show you in a minute. So I've just filled my bottle up with whole milk. So my daughter's over 1 now, but obviously you can use breast milk, formula milk, could be frozen. If it was in one of the storage bags, you can use that, or you can use a food pouch. You put it in obviously once the water's in, and then you turn this dial to however many minutes. So 1 is 1 minute, 2 is 2 minutes, etc. So what I normally go by, but obviously keep checking, I do a minute per ounce. So there's 6 ounces in here, so I just do 6 minutes. And what you'll see once you turn it is that the water starts raising, and it'll be cold to start, but give it a few minutes or even 30 seconds and you'll feel the water slightly go warm, and then it'll go quite hot, and that's how it feels it. Once it's done, it will then go to 0 and it will click off, so you can actually leave the room while it's warming up, which I love. And then that is how you'd warm the bottle. So I hope you guys found that useful. It's a really simple device, but I absolutely love it, and it's really worth the money. I put the link below if you want to buy it. Highly recommended. Any questions, comments, answer below and I should be able to answer them. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.